Good morning, guys. I have not done a day in the life video for quite some time, so I figured I'd go ahead and do one today. It's a very special day because it's Talia's birthday, so we'll bring you along with all the festivities for that. It is almost 9 o'clock right now, and we're actually, I'm in the parking lot of Renee's vision therapy. We're about to go in. Hey, Renee. You having a drink of club soda?
Yeah.
Yeah? Are you ready for your eye school?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. We're about to head in and do eye school. Oh, thank you. And then we're going to run a couple errands after that. And I have one more present, that last minute present I wanted to pick up for Talia. That's really fun. So we're going to run and do that before we head home. And then we're going to do family dinner for her birthday. She picked out a restaurant, but I think the plan was to just get takeout. I need it at home and then have her dessert. So that's the basic plan for the day, and we are just going to bring you along. Oh my goodness, you're so strong. So we got a few errands run after vision therapy. We had to return some cans and bottles, pick up a couple things at the grocery store. Now we are at Michael's to pick up that last present for Talia. So we'll show you that when we get in here, as long as we're able to find it. This one? All right, here they are.
Can I?
This is a new... No, come over here and look at these for Talia. These are a new Lego product. They're called dots, and they have all kinds of different things. I think these are so cute. They're little bracelets where you can design your own with the little Lego pieces. I already picked up some of the bracelets, and I already picked up one of these that's like extra pieces. There's like little emojis and stuff. But I wanted to pick out one of these for Talia too. I was thinking this one with the little doggies. It's like a little picture holder, or she might like this. It's a pineapple that's like a little pin holder.
Oh.
This one's cute too, though.
What is it?
This one's like a little jewelry holder.
Ah.
What do you think?
I want you to have this.
Yeah, I think we should get that one for you, though.
I like it.
But you don't have your money right now. Maybe you'll get that for your birthday.
Okay.
Yeah, it's possible. I'm thinking this one. Do you think she would like this one?
Yeah. And
The little pineapple?
yeah.
And it has, oh no, this one has the most pieces. I just saw this comes with a little watermelon thing too, and we call Talia the watermelon queen, so I think we better get this one. I'm just about to wrap up Talia's presents, but I wanted to show them to you real quick. This is what I got at Michael's today. These are what I picked up the other week when I first saw them, and I decided I wanted to add on a little more, but these are so cute. This one's like the little space one, and you can design your own little bracelets. This is another one. This kind of goes with the same theme as this one. Little birdie. It's got some other little things you can add on. This one, you can see it has little emojis and things in there so she can customize as she wants to. They're so cute. I just thought these were adorable. And then the other thing we were going to get her is a new bike. And so we had Autumn paint this, and that's supposed to be Talia on a bike. And then I put on the back, this coupon is good for one new bicycle. So we wanted to be able to take her so she could pick it out herself. So that's why we didn't get it ahead of time. All right, there they are. Now we just got to wait for Dad to come home, and then we're planning on getting the food from the restaurant probably early afternoon and have a nice little party here at home. Right, one of your nines. The next one in the line. It's okay. Beautiful.
Rachel said, I want to go play with Susan.
Did you have a good rest? Did you sleep well? Are you ready to get up and party with your sister? You ready to get up and party with Talia? Say yup. So we have been working on potty training. Oh, it's so exciting to be right towards the end of being done with diapers, hopefully soon. And Levi is doing so well. He's learning so fast. He's such a big kid, using the potty like a big man. Aren't ya? So this is how Talia is enjoying her birthday. Taking a nap in the sun on the trampoline. So Talia, Jeff, and Renee just went to go pick up the food. And we got some kettle chips to go with the wings. And we got, I was going to talk about the dessert Talia picked. So she actually decided to make some Reese's brownies, and she wanted to take them to her class at our homeschool co-op. So she did that on Monday. And I have some footage of us making that, so I will put that here in a minute. And then since Talia and Charity's birthdays are both in March, I try to do like a park party get together where we share some kind of a birthday treat and invite all of our friends for both of them, kind of a combined birthday party, because when you have 5 kids, it's hard to do a birthday party for everybody. So it works out to do like a little combined get together. So we're planning to do that in the next week or two. And so since she already had the brownies and then we'll make another treat for that party, we decided just to do ice cream for on her birthday today. So she picked out Tillamook mudslide ice cream, which is delicious. And that's what we're gonna do. The wings, the kettle chips. They're going to pick up some drinks at New Seasons on the way. I think Talia picked some root beer. And then the ice cream for dessert.
That's a bit lot.
That is a lot. What you making, Tal?
Brownies.
What kind of brownies?
Peanut butter chocolate brownies.
And what special occasion are they for?
My birthday!
When's your birthday?
In 5 days.
On Thursday?
Yeah.
But these are for
My class.
your class tomorrow.
I'll take a few of these and we'll just put them in the spaces.
Yeah.
Like over here, like they do.
Sounds great. We'll just press these down. Here, I'll show these. I've never seen these before.
They're good.
Baking cups and Reese's Pieces candy. What will they think of next, huh?
I don't know, but it looks like it'll do something.
It'll be delicious. I think they look perfect, Tal. Don't they look good?
I just want to shove them in my face.
Are you excited for some chicken wings? Yeah?
Yeah.
All right, birthday girl. What drinks did you pick?
Renee picked lemon lime twist, and I picked root beer.
Charity's been practicing something. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Levi, you're just dying of starvation over there.
I love it. Thank you, Brian.
So now I'm just gonna feel myself.
Thank you.
Yeah, I know.
I don't even have a...
Was that some good chicken? Was it so yummy? It was so yummy? Num num.
Happy birthday
Tell you.
Happy birthday
Tell it. Look at that on
It's from us, so we're gonna get you a new bicycle. That's what it's saying.
I'm gonna take you to bike. Maybe Saturday.
It's not a slap-on, but it's a bracelet, and it's Legos. You see, it's Legos. Look at this is a pineapple, but look at this one. Yeah. Poe, what's you doing, Poe? What's you doing, Poe?
Thanks, Mom.
You're welcome.
What is this called? Not a pecan.
Not a pecan, a toucan.
Toucan.
Toucan, close.
Not
It was
a
really
peacock.
close. Oh, it's so cute.
I know.
It's so tiny.
I could take these blue, pink, and purple ones, and I could make like the rest of the body like that.
Oh, yeah.
If I had the square
Yeah.
one, I don't know if there were squares.
You could turn that one, yeah, like that. And then it looks kind of like a duck or something.
It's kind of like a snake.
Cute. All right,
It's
Charity, show
cute.
me yours. Oh, isn't that cute? And they had the little music notes that you loved. I like these little, the kitty and the bunny. Those are cute too. That's so fun. Renee, I got to see yours. Wow. So Renee got this one with the unicorn, and it's purple, right?
Yeah.
It's so pretty.
Do you want to trade for this?
I have those. Look, I have those.
Well, do you want to trade with one other one you have?
No thanks.
Okay.
I don't have any.
I'll just put this one.
You ran out of spots. Oh, except for right here.
Yeah, in there.
Yeah. Show me, Renee. Oh my goodness, it's so beautiful. And it matches your watch. Look at that.
I also like. I made the paw prints. See.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know why, but I put a death skull on with heart's eyes.
A death skull.
Let me see. Let me see that death skull.